details is polishing and finishing up these details, the creating brand identity, adding final touch. Internal is working, it is ChatGPT. It is depend on if you give clear on the last output is coming, the VGR learn. This is the last output. You observe this. This is the main. The ChatGPT prompts where is a single line, this much output is coming. You observe this. I will download this image and observe this image. In this way, this image is coming. You observe this. VGR learn, grow, invitation. VGR t-shirts. This is the this way. Then another prompt was the generate taglines. Generate taglines. The single word is given the lot about. Here creating brand taglines, learn, create, succeed, and this 50 taglines is given this. You observe this. Brand taglines is VGR learn, AI, technology, education, create, and digital learning. This is education learning, AI, technology learning, and creative learning, and professional more. And YouTube content creating. This way, this much is given. The top 10 premium choices also given this way. After that, write a slogan. Another prompt. The me, which prompt you are promptly used. You also comment me which prompt you like most and which prompt you are so much like. Also, you give this comment. Thank you. Your VGR lab. 100 creative slogans are there. You observe this 100 creative slogans are there. The category was I explained very easy. A invitation, education slogans, creative slogans, technology slogans, motivation slogans, YouTube content creator, AI creator, and professional slogans, knowledge create opportunities, premium tags and signature slogans, learn today, sharp shape tomorrow. In this way is given. The another prompt was the create mood board ideas. This create mood board ideas is the given this mood board is given this symbols. You observe the first one is the frostic care and minimum luxury and the creative studio and the education learning. This way given this total 20 boards. Then design the packing ideas. This one is the another given. This prompt is given creating image and creating image is taking and thinking and generating and searching the some websites also. After that output is coming on display. Catch out polishing details. Finishing up. And adding final touch in this way. This is design packing ideas. This is packing ideas is providing. You observe this. After that, another command create business name. Then copy. Observe this. This is a technology and educational and creative studio and digital agencies, tech startups and content creator productivity, premium brands and modern one-word names and that YouTube learning visual learner. And this way is coming. Top 10 brand worth pick prompt craft learners this way. The another prompt was the create product ideas. Create product ideas. This create product ideas is given this the total. You observe this nearly 100. You observe. This is AI prompt, AI cards, AI marketing templates, AI job notes, AI habits, and education study plans, YouTube creation, video intro pack, video outer pack, YouTube banner kit, thumbnail template pack, graphic logo template bundle, and smart notebooks and premium pen sets. This is the business ideas. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please share. Please comment. Vijay so much. This video is prolonged. Please watch till the end. The which prompt is you are like this video, you can comment. Welcome to back everyone, my channel Vijay Point. Today topic is the ChatGPT brainstorming prompts. First design logo. Now I will select and copy this ChatGPT. The minimalistic, this is the logo brainstorming. The minimalistic modern tech AI technology like 3D mascot from vintage abstract. This is the blue and orange modern color scheme and AI education technology team and bold clean typography. This way, same prompt I will copy and Google Gemini. This one is the Google Gemini. This is the ChatGPT. What is the difference? You can observe the both. The ChatGPT given that type of message is Google Gemini. They sure you can give me some details about the logo, like a designing need to know name of company. This is the VGR lab round. Then in this way the message is coming. After that I will give another prompt in this, create a brand identity, and ChatGPT.